You used AI to generate a slide deck, but instead of a corporate masterpiece, it gave you random fonts, weird colors, and clip art from 2005. Welcome to FAM's AI Superpowers. I'm Dan, and here's how we force Copilot to strictly follow your corporate branding. The biggest mistake people make is asking Copilot to create a deck from a completely blank screen. Instead, open your company's official branded PowerPoint template first, and then click on the little Copilot shooting star icon. Select Create a Presentation from File and link your project brief. Because you started inside your template, Copilot is forced to map its generated content directly onto your approved slide masters. It automatically applies your exact corporate fonts, color palettes, and layouts. No more rogue designs. Work smarter, not harder. Follow this channel for more AI superpowers in Microsoft 365.